Hello guys, welcome to JIMO TV. So today I'll be doing another product review video, and this time it's a water pump for my mini pond. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So let us open the package, and I got this from Lazada, and I paid around 559 pesos, including the shipping fee. So it's a water pump, 35 watts and 220 volts. So I'm going to use this for my mini pond, para sa pond na yung pinakita ko sa last video, yung tinry kong takpan ng spray, sealant spray na hindi gumana. So this is it. Ito siya. Wala man lang naka-label, as in normal box yung outside niya. So let us open the inside. Mabigat siya konti. So ito yung nozzle niya dito, at saka yung suction cup niya. I'm not sure, suction rubber niya. So ito yung actual na item. It's a water pump. So makikita nyo dito, yes, it's 35 watts, 2 AC 220 to 240 volts, 6 hertz, 2.3 meter H max, Q max 2000 liter. So yeah, it's made in China. So 35 watts siya nakalagay dito. So let us see if this thing really worked, kung ano man yung, ito kiniklaim niya, 35 watts. So later I'll be trying this one dun sa mini pond na ginawa ko. Nilagyan ko ng trapal. Ano ba yun? Ano ba sa English yung trapal? Hindi ko alam. So ito siya. Medyo may kabigatan siya. So this is my first time buying water pump na ganito. So I'll get back to you guys. Itatry ko lang siya, setup ko lang siya doon para makita nyo kung gaano siya kalakas. Okay? Ito siya guys. So that was it guys, as you have seen on the video. I don't know if for 35 watts mahina ba yun. I don't know, kasi first time kong magkaroon ng ganitong water pump. So if you have any comments, just comment down below kung ano masasabi niyo sa water pump nito. I guess that's all for this video. Di ko siya nalagyan nito itong pag-try ko. But hindi naman matter yun, di ba? Anything else? I'm not sure if na-cover ko na lahat sa video ito. But if I've missed anything, just comment down below or ask anything if there's anything that you want to ask me. So I guess that's all for this video. This is just a quick video to show you this product. Wala kasi siyang brand na nakalagay dun eh. Kaya ito na lang yung pinakita. Thank you so much for watching this video. May you all have a wonderful day. Again, this is JIMO TV, and bye for now.